cruise lines have we traveled on, baby?
We've been on 5 different cruise lines.
Let's talk about what the best thing on each of them is.
Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us. Come and cruise with us, and you won't regret it.
I'm Laurie.
I'm Gary.
And we are
Laurie and Gary Cruise. So the first thing we want to talk about is, what's that on your t-shirt? What's it say?
I got a new t-shirt here. It says, Cousin Cruise Squad 2025.
We have matching t-shirts, but I'm not her cousin. Where did you get that?
So I got this on Amazon, really excited. And this is also a test to see if my cousin Allison and Jason, I see you guys out there.
Oh.
This is a test to see if they're watching. I got us all matching t-shirts because we were doing a big family cruise next May to Alaska. It's going to be my 2 cousins, Allison and Jason. Gary, I guess this guy's tagging along. my parents, and then also Robin, Steven, and their 2 grown adult children.
It's going to be a big old group.
Justin and Rachel. So we are so excited to bring that to you.
Love it. Love it.
May. That's going to be with Celebrity. But for now, let's go back, and we're going to get right into one thing. And today we're just talking about the one individual thing that makes that cruise line extra special. Like the one thing that is super special about that specific cruise line.
Exactly.
And we're going to start off with Norwegian today. So what is it for Norwegian, in our opinions?
Water slides.
Yes. Now, other cruise lines, yes, have water slides. We have just found that Norwegian has
The best.
the most wide variety. They have everything from like a kiddie water slide to like a medium one for pussies like me to the one that just drops you straight down.
I went on one that goes straight down. You get into this little cubicle. They tell you to put your arms like this, and then there's no escaping it now. I mean, it's going straight down. And it goes 5, 4, this dramatic voice. 3, 2, 1. And it just drops. And it's so exhilarating, exciting, and scary. Oh my gosh, it's scary. But I did it, and it was fun. And I did it again.
So we're saying water slides is the one special thing for Norwegian Cruise Lines.
Yeah.
Next up,
Princess.
And what's special about Princess, baby?
On-demand movies, baby. On-demand movies.
First of all, it's all included for everyone.
And we love movies.
No matter what package you get.
Yeah.
No matter if you're an inside cabin, outside cabin.
They're all in your room.
And it's hundreds. Hundreds.
Yeah.
And then it's also TV shows on demand as well.
And all the regular news channels and blah, 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 blah. But the movies. And we love to watch movies when we go on cruises.
And I don't think any other cruise line offers that many movies included,
yeah,
on demand.
I mean, you pay extra, you can get movies, but this is included in the price of the cruise.
I mean, definitely let us know in the comments below if we're incorrect.
Yeah.
But so far, as far as we know, in our experience, it's Princess.
Yes, in our experience. No, we haven't traveled other cruise lines other than the 5 we mentioned, or the 5 we're going to mention.
But this one specific thing is super special about Princess.
Next up, Royal
Caribbean.
Without doubt, the entertainment.
Hands down.
Oh my gosh. Hands down.
I dare you to defy me in the comments. Do you disagree with this in the comments? Because Royal Caribbean is the one with the ice skating show, the diving shows, the full-length book musicals. And I'm sorry, don't say, oh, Norwegian has book musicals too. Rock of Ages.
Yeah, I was very anticipatory about Rock of Ages. I'm a rock and roller and I love. I thought I was going to see a rock and roll show, but it was disappointing.
That and some other book musicals we've seen on Norwegian are nowhere near as good as the book musicals we've seen on RCCL, including We Will Rock You, including Cats. We're about to see Hairspray. So excited. We've heard it's amazing.
Cats was the best version of Cats I've ever seen, and I saw it on Broadway. And this was a better version of Cats than on Broadway. So, that should tell you something.
And the diving shows.
Oh my gosh, they were diving from 60 feet up. That was incredible, and we really lucked out because the seas have to be really mellow because they cancel it at a minute's notice. And why not if the seas are a little rocky? Because they're diving from 60 feet up into this little tiny pool. So we were lucky to see that. It was absolutely amazing.
And then the ice skating shows, it's like,
Oh yeah.
in New York City, it's going to cost you like $75 to go to the Ice Capades at Madison Square Garden. And here you have it included with your cruise.
And some of these entertainers are actually Olympians.
Yeah.
Olympians. Some of the divers and some of the divers and the singers, the entertainers, the ice skaters.
And now
Some of them are Olympians.
on the new Utopia of the Seas, now they have that whole dinner theater
Oh yeah.
deal, and they have aerialists.
That's right.
Just Royal Caribbean for the win.
I forgot about that. Yeah.
Hands down.
Number 4, MSC. Now, the thing that makes MSC special is the pizza.
The pizza!
We're New Yorkers, and we're very picky about our pizza. And we ordered a pizza, room service, dig it, room service. It came 15 minutes later, hot, so hot. The sauce makes the pizza, as far as I'm concerned. The sauce was piled on, the cheese was piled on, and the pepperoni covered the whole thing. It was so hot and juicy, and the cheese, you pick the pizza up.
The proof is in the cheese pull.
Yeah, oh man, it was so good.
The proof is in the cheese pull.
Wow, it was so good. Best pizza at sea, as far as I'm concerned. Done.
And finally, Celebrity Cruise Lines.
Oh, the food.
The food overall.
The food.
The included food specifically.
We think you don't need to buy a specialty package to go to a specialty restaurant. You can just eat in the regular dining rooms and just have a dining experience. Mwah!
I mean, we do enjoy their specialty restaurants, but it's nice to know that we don't have to spend hundreds of extra dollars in order to feel like we ate a good meal.
Yeah, yeah.
And the buffet is great as well.
Oh yeah, the buffet. Oh my gosh. Best buffet at sea as far as I'm concerned. Now these are just the 5 cruise lines that we've been on. There's been other cruise lines that we're about to go on, but for now, this is what we like about these 5 cruise lines.
Now, what do you think? Are we off? Let us know in the comments below.
Or do you agree?
Do you agree? Do
Yeah.
you disagree? We love to hear it.
We'd love to hear everything you got to say. We read them all.
Also, if you don't mind hitting the
Like and subscribe button.
with the
Notification bell.
that notification bell is super important. It will let you know every time we post, so you won't miss a post.
Yeah. You'll be the first one to read it.
And that about wraps it up for us today.
Yeah.
So hopefully the next time you see us, we will have the beautiful ocean in the background because our green screen broke, but we're getting a new one.
We got another one coming.
Yeah, we got another one coming up. So
Yeah.
that's all. Until the next time, though, we want you guys to please live your best cruise life.
Bye, guys.
Bye.